show. Oh my god, I'm super excited. And now, presenting the person I'm going to have a collab with, and I'm meeting for the second time. Okay, not for the first time. Meet KQUEENTV!
Hi, unsay tawag mga gang?
Gang?
Hi,
You can
mga
call me
gang.
Mga gang or Cykanikiers?
Cykaniki. So, hi, I'm KQUEENTV. You can subscribe to my channel if you like.
Yes.
We're good friends now. No? It's second time na nina mo, and then we're going to have a collaboration.
Yes.
And what's that?
We're going to have a Ukay Ukay challenge! Oh my god, I'm super excited. From the Ukay Ukay, we're going to set
Budget.
budget. How much is the budget? Huwag yung mahal, bes.
100 to 150. Mga nga na lang siguro nga
Okay. Yeah, that's great.
Mga
Three
free
outfits. Okay. So, please subscribe to her, guys. She's an awesome creator. And please, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box. And we're going to go. Babush! Hi guys, we're on the second place. We're going to hunt. Tingnan mo, 5-star Ukay Ukay Baggage Baksak Center. Oh my god. Kainit guys sa Cebu. Ka-challenge ba ni guys? Are you ready? Ready na ka? So may akong piliyon. What should I chose for her? If you don't know what is Ukay Ukay here in the Philippines, it is assorted surplus clothes that you can buy in a cheaper price. So you have 50 pesos. 50 pesos is more than $1. So I'm super excited. I'm going to show to you what are the things that I'm going to give to May Queen. The Queen of the World! Skiba! And our next stop, guys, is there. Fabulosa daw. Fabulous kaya? Basta gang, ang imong challenge.
Challenge kayo.
Dahil taga-asa ka dahil. Grabe. Naka-open ka dahil too. We're done with our Ukay Ukay challenge, and now we're going to exchange our gifts and then reveal everything at home. Right now, we're going to have our refreshments. We're going to drink some shakes, lemon juice, bisag iubo, pero lemon man, okay ra. And then hamburger. Mga pobre man mi guys. Dili mi dato. Siya ra dato. Ako
The
din.
coffee and the mocha.
Cheers for the
friendship.
This is what I chose because for me, I'm more a comfortable person, and I wanted to be comfortable in all my clothing. So it's more of the skin, and then hip hop portion. I don't know what's her preferences because this is the second day that we've met so far, and
Very challenging
though
to me.
I saw her on her videos, but it's really different when you talk about real life, you know. So we're going to exchange gifts again. Ready? One, two, and three.
Yay.
See here. Happy birthday, guys.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Yes.
birthday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'm super blessed. So I hope that you're going to check on her channel, give her some love, and please subscribe to her and tell her that I sent you. And please don't leave this channel if you're not yet subscribed as well. Please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell button as well so that you will be notified on our upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching. Saranghe!
Saranghe!
And
bye-bye. Okay kayo.